Now in Chinese, we are here. Real life Chinese with me at a hospital. Well, today I happen to be at a hospital, so let's learn some basic words and phrases about Chinese hospitals. Let's get it. Well, let's get to know the basic parts of a Chinese hospital. Behind me, this is a map thing. The light blue square here, 门诊, 门诊, it means clinic. Orange, 急诊, 急诊, 急诊 means emergency. The light green part in the middle, 医技, 医技. Literally medical technology, but this is the part where you will go through different things like gastroscopy stuff. And the dark blue and dark green parts, 住院, 住院, the inpatient buildings. Alright, let's do it one more time. 门诊, 门诊, 急诊, 急诊, 医技, 医技, 住院, 住院. So behind me here it says 通往门诊, 通往门诊, towards the clinic area. So in Chinese hospitals, 门诊 is where you complain basically. So you reserve a hall, so you reserve a number. And well, usually, I mean, before it was like you just in the early morning, you get to the hospital and get in the queue, and then says like, oh, for example, stomach situation, it will be a department, and you get a number for that particular department for the day, and you wait. And nowadays you can do it through apps. It's more convenient now. 门诊 is where you get to see the doctor first and you get to complain, oh, I have stomach pain or something. Then he will tell you what to do. If you have stomach pain or something and the doctor says you need to do the gastroscopy, and then you go to 医技, the light green part. In the 医技 building, rooms, centers for doing different types of diagnosis, the CT, the MR, DR stuff, and X-ray, this scopy, that scopy, you know, thing. That's 医技. And 住院, the inpatient facilities, the buildings. And if the doctor says, oh, you need to 住院, then you go there. And finally, 急诊, the emergency part is where, you know, like traffic accident or something, you know, pretty emergent situation, you just go straight there, and you know, the doctors there will handle it. So this is a different part. You do not go to 门诊 because 门诊 is kind of slower, and to go through reservation, blah blah, waiting stuff. Alright, that's it. A very basic introduction to the basic areas of Chinese hospitals. Hope you'll find it useful, but also hope you will never find it useful. So now in Chinese, we are here. That's all for today's episode. Subscribe, like. I gotta go.